Thutha wa itua ria jaji uyu munene Justin Muturi ria kwaga gwikinya kamiti-ini no ya Mbunge ya Kigina muthenya wa keri muthenya wa muthi ndauma na wiki tiga gwikinya rucini tene na gucokia ciuria iria ciandikithitio ni Ambunge aya Ciegie Magoti ma tabaarira ino guku akiumbura ati ni makwina Mianya hari tabaarira ino ya watho wa Igoti ria Waki wa nyumba ici.
The Finance Act wherein the Cabinet Secretary for Lands is the one that was giving authority to the KRA has now been remedied by this provision.
Kamiti ino yetiketie ati watho uyu wa marihi ma igoti ria nyumba ici wihuritio ni ungumania guku makienda kumenya kana a Kenya ni metikirie kuriha magoti maya na kana aria mari mwena wa wandikani aria marariha magoti maya matari na mwihoko wa gukwena nyumba ici kana ni maiganire na itua riri na kamiti ino kwenda kumenya kana ni mari magia na meciria ma gukomborithia nyumba ici handu ha guciendia na kana no tabaarira ya kuguna itonga cia bururi.
And I've had occasion to argue with some of my friends in the judiciary that it may look discriminatory, but who is ever going to do it? If it's not those of us that have been lucky.
This issue of land under Article 62 becomes a very critical issue, even as we're discussing on this affordable bill.
But how about a situation where you allocate money to institutions, and those institutions may not allocate those houses to individual persons? Because hostels, once hostels are done, you cannot allocate to students.
Ambunge aya ni medire kumenya kana jaji uyu ni anyitire itemi ari kuhariria watho wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na kana watho wa magoti wa nyumba cia Raithi no wariho na mawoni ma jaji uyu hari kuregwo kwa magoti maya kuri a Kenya na mawoni make hari kwaga thirikari cia county kwaga kunyita itemi watho-ini uyu na mubango wa thirikari wa guteithiriria Wanjiku.
In discharge of the functions between the two levels of government may be addressed through an express provision in the bill providing for consultation and cooperation where such arises.
Justin Muturi agetetera mbere ya kamiti ino ni augite ati itemi ria magoti maya gutinio kuri mihuko ya Kenya ritiari rungu rwake idita jaji munene wa bururi watho ndumwitikiretie kunyita itemi hari watho wa Kigina amu ni kuri kamiti ya majaji yatigeirwo wira uyu na ikinyitwo mbaru ni mawoni ma Kenya ngurani bururi.
Let me start by saying, confirming that we were involved from the word go. And our involvement is about drafting best on the policy direction given our clients.
The state where it is currently, even if we were to allocate money to NHC, it will not access that money unless we change that housing fund, which is under Cap 117.
Homework affects legal certainty, which is a hallmark of the rule of law, good governance, transparency, and accountability under Article 10. Clause 2, paragraphs A and C of the Constitution.